gold. Okay, it's a gold. I think maybe when I'm teaching is this one, king. And then this one is, I said, gold. Gold. Yeah, these are gold, okay? So, it's a king. King is give gold to everybody. King. King. Gold. Gold. Remember that. Okay? So, how do you read? It's the Japanese. It's a kane. Yeah, kane means okane is actually money. So, it's a meaning actually metal, gold, and then another meaning I believe it's a mineral. Yeah, that's one. Mineral. Like a nutrition stuff. Okay? So, metal, gold, mineral. So, reading. Kane, kaki, kuke, ko, ka, nani, no, ne, no, ne. Kane. So, let's practice with your hand. Are you guys ready? Come on, let's do it. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Thanks for watching Sony's channel. If you have any question, please do it. Yeah, you learn together, okay? Yeah, learn together every day. One word. Tomorrow, another word. After 1 year, 365 words. After 2 years, how many? 720 words.